cubs are born in January after a gestation period of approximately 7 months. Although mating occurs in June, fetal development takes place mainly in the last 2 months of pregnancy after the fertilized egg implants in the uterus in November, delayed implantation. By delaying implantation and postponing the development of the fertilized egg until the spring, the female bear can ensure that she has sufficient fat reserves to support herself and her cubs during pregnancy and lactation. This gives the cubs a better chance of survival and allows the mother to successfully raise her offspring. It is true that female bears need to have a certain level of body fat in order to become pregnant and give birth to healthy cubs. During the summer and fall, bears will typically feed heavily in order to build up their body fat reserves in preparation for winter. If the female bear does not attain sufficient body fat or weight during this time, she may not be able to become pregnant or carry her cubs to term. This is because the body fat reserves are necessary for the female bear's body to produce the hormone prolactin, which is needed for the development of the mammary glands and milk production. In addition, the body fat reserves are also used as a source of energy for the female bear during the winter months, when she is in a state of dormancy and does not eat or drink. The body fat reserves help to keep the female bear and her cubs warm and provide the energy needed for lactation and caring for the cubs. If the female bear does not have sufficient body fat reserves, it is possible that the embryos may not attach to the uterine wall and subsequently develop into little bears. It is important for female bears to have adequate body fat reserves in order to support a healthy pregnancy and the development of their cubs. Another outstanding feature is that female bears usually give birth to their cubs alone. After mating in the fall, the female bear will prepare a den in which to give birth and raise her cubs. This can be a hollow tree, a cave, or a hole dug in the ground. The den provides a safe, warm, and dark place for the cubs to grow and develop. When the cubs are born, they are usually very small and weigh only a few ounces. They are born blind and helpless, and the mother will fiercely protect and care for them. The cubs will nurse from their mother and consume her milk for the first few months of life. This milk is rich in nutrients and antibodies, which help the cubs grow and develop. As the cubs grow and become more independent, they will start to venture out of the den with their mother. The mother will teach them how to forage for food and survive on their own. This can include hunting for small animals, scavenging for carrion, and eating fruits, nuts, and roots. Bears are intelligent and adaptable animals, and they have a complex social structure. Female bears are usually solitary, but they will often live in close proximity to other bears and may interact with them. Male bears, on the other hand, are more territorial and may defend their territory against other males. Bears are also known for their play behavior, which helps them learn new skills and develop social bonds. Cubs will play with each other and with their mother, wrestling, chasing, and roughhousing. This play helps them develop physical skills and coordination, as well as social skills and communication. As the cubs grow and become more independent, they will eventually leave their mother and establish their own territory. This can take anywhere from a few months to a few years, depending on the species and the individual bear. Once they have left their mother, bears are generally solitary animals, although they may have overlapping ranges and interact with other bears at times.